And he himself in his reply is saying that the one who is given first, Cutbona Boat Owners Development Society, is not registered. So how can he acknowledge this society? I am asking. This society is not valid at all. How can you give them validation by saying on bringing on record, if they have not renewed their certificate, that means they are not valid. So you cannot allow them in operation in that, Speaker, sir. You are giving legal certainty to these people. If their registration certificate is expired, how can you bring on record of the House that this certificate has to be, renewal has to be done? It is the onus of the society to bring the renewal. It is not the onus of the Department of Fisheries to do the renewal.
Serial number 1 society is registered, only thing that it is not submitted renewal certificate.
Speaker, sir, आप तेच सांगता न्ही, sir. Renewal नसताना तू काय ताका validity कसो दिता? That this particular society should not be allowed to operate till that registration happens. I am asking only that, whether he will allow or no. Registration is not valid. So how can you make an illegality in your own department? So I am not saying that you should debar them. My thing is that they should not be allowed into looking after the affairs of the society because they are not registered. Their renewal has not happened. So this I want to ask Honorable Minister whether he is giving me assurance that these people till such time that they bring the renewal, they will not be allowed to enter the jetty. This is what I am asking.
एक्झामिन करता कितें आसा ते त्यानंतर निर्णय
एक्झामिन ते करीत आसता. तुझ्या दुसऱ्या म्हाका assurance जाय की you will not allow illegality कशी allow करता, Speaker, sir. So I am only asking him that he should not allow these people to operate. Moment they bring a valid registration certificate, you allow them. Only this assurance I am asking. Am I wrong, Speaker, sir, in asking an assurance, illegality which is happening on the jetty to stop? I am only asking him to stop their operation. When they bring a proper license, then they can be allowed. I am not saying that don't allow them.
Serial number 1 submitted that they will submit renewal certificate. If they
Speaker, sir, म्हाका हांव परतून तेच सांगता की when they submit a certificate, allow them. Till such time they submit a certificate, they should not be allowed the jetty. This is my only request, Speaker, sir. I am not asking anything else.
बरें हांव मान्य करता
मान्य करता आनी अलाव करचो ना इतलें सांग, सर. कितें मान्य करता म्हणजे तूं अलाव करचो ना न्ही इतलें म्हणटा.
मान्य आमदार,
हांव कितें आसा ते कितें आसा तेजी चौकशी करून तेचेर निर्णय घेता. हांवूय बेश्टेच सांगूंक शकना.
बंद करतलो.
हय